Let's try to understand how to find the missing terms in arithmetic progressions. But before we do that, I don't think it'll do us much harm if I define an AP for you once again. It's a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So, here is the general form of an AP. A, the first term, A plus D, the second term, A plus 2D, the third term, and so on. D is the common difference, and A, of course, as you can see, is the first term. Now, the common difference D obviously is constant. And what does that mean? That means A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2, which will be equal to A4 minus A3, and so on. And each of them will be equal to D. So, what is the conclusion that we draw? In an arithmetic progression, except the first term, all the terms can be obtained by adding the common difference to the previous term. Understand this very carefully. We'll need this to find the missing terms. Let's look at an example. Here is an AP, 12, 25, X, and so on. Now this X obviously is somewhere interfering with the beauty of this AP. So we need to find the value of X. So let's write down what is given to us. A1, the first term is 12. A2, the second term is 25. You know the first term. You know the second term. Can you find the common difference? Yes. A2 minus A1, that is D. So 25 minus 12 or 13. So the common difference D is 13. Once you know the common difference, you can find the third term. Yes, that is X. It will be equal to the second term A2 plus D. Second term is 25. D we found as 13. So 25 plus 13, that is 38. But tell me something. What do we do if we know the subsequent term of an AP and not its previous term? Well, we can say A2 minus A1 is D. We know that. So if you rearrange the terms, A1 is A2 minus D. So all we are doing is a bit of juggling. And that gets me to conclude that in an arithmetic progression, every term, except of course the last term, can be obtained by subtracting the common difference from its subsequent term. I know you're dying for an example, so here it is. 20, X, 28, 32. Once again, there is this X. And we need to find the value. So we first calculate the common difference. So how do we do that? Let's write down what we have. Third term, A3 is 28. Fourth term, A4 is 32. Common difference, because it is common, has to be constant. So D is A4 minus A3, right? So 32 minus 28 or 4. So D we know, and we need to find the second term, which is X. And what did I tell you? Second term can be found by subtracting D from the third term. So A3 minus D, that is 28 minus 4, that is 24. So we got the value of X.